Oh. Oh.
Hey guys, it's Crazy Daisy with my cousin Smelly Ellie.
Smelly Ellie.
It's not an insult, people. So today we are going to be making edible Play-Doh versus real food. Yeah! Oh, sorry, Birdie. And if you want to learn how to make edible Play-Doh, look on the video on the link below. Now we're gonna be making, I don't know.
First food you're gonna be making is an Oreo.
Oh, is it mince?
Challenge accepted.
Accepted. I make one side, you make one side.
Got it.
I have an idea. Be right back. Then, 10 seconds later. I'm gonna unroll this whole thing and use it to cut. Is that hurt? No. Does it feel nice and tickly? Yeah, I know. Oh, that's lovely and lovely. Hello. I've come to curse you. Behold, our creation is complete. Let's look at Sue and see if you can tell the difference. This one's the real one.
Yeah, I should totally take a bite out of it.
All right, I wonder what we're making next.
Ding, 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 ding.
I have magical powers.
Fruity cereal. Hey, hey, hey. No eating. But we need to add milk.
Ow. Oh.
Okay, all right. Perfect. Okay, that's your challenge.
That's my breakfast. And we're gonna use white for the milk. We've got the milk, and let's make the colorful cereal.
Okay.
Okay, I'll take 3, you take 3.
Okay. I'll take those.
All right, our creation is complete. All right, you guys, can you tell the difference beside the spoon? All right, what's coming up next, Daddy-O?
You rang. We have sugar donut. All right, let's see it.
Oh yeah,
About the same size.
yeah, they're the same size.
Sky. Sky.
Sky.
Sky.
Maybe it's edible, but not for you. Powdered sugar. Yeah. This would be good for a prank. Got this one written down for April Fool's Day. See the notes? Ha.
He's like, oh, this is cool.
It feels nice, Mom's my talent. Can you tell which one's the fake donut?
I can't.
I can't. Let's see if my mom can tell. Mom! Hey, Mom.
Donut.
Take one.
So, you guys tricked me.
Best prank ever.
Daisy!
Okay, what's next, Daddy Odo?
All right, You're both gonna do one. Choose which one you wanna do. Cookie and orange. That doesn't mean you get to eat it. Okay. Create!
Okay, can you guys tell which one is real and which one is Play-Doh? Is it this one or is it this one? Is it this one or is it this one? I'm just doing it back and forth so you can't tell very clearly. It's back and forth, so it's blurry and you don't tell. Back and forth, 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 back and forth. Now let's see if my dad can tell. Which type of cookie?
Oh! Oh!
Now, time for the grand finale. Bring it up.
Big Mac!
Cheeseburger.
Cheeseburgers. Good luck.
Okay, I'll work on the buns.
Okay.
The final touch.
Bam.
Our creation is once again complete.
Hamburger. Cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger. Which one looks more appetizing? Okay guys, that was a lot of fun. And we challenge you to make real food out of edible Play-Doh. Thank you, Ellie, for joining me. You've been really fun to hang out with. Make sure to subscribe and comment below on what you wanted to see us do it next. What do you think, Birdie? What do you think we should do next? Tweet, tweet? Let's do a tweet. A day with tweeting the words we say. Tweet, 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 tweet.